Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I found an excellent, detailed review of the XHDATA model D-808. Now, I did a quick review of this. I borrowed this from Jeff King, and I wasn't too impressed with it, but I think I didn't do a very good job of the review. Now, this is on the Google users group called Ultra Light DX group, where people use these really small radios and do DXing mainly on the medium wave band. So this gentleman, Gary DeBock, did a detailed review of this radio. Now, he says maybe it's not in the class of the ultralight because it is a little larger than the typical ultralight. But if you take this link right here where his article is, which I have up here, this is his article right here. It is chock full of information. Shows you the inside of it, talks about the parts inside, goes into using it for medium wave DXing. Here's the antenna he built for it, give better reception on medium wave. Here's you tested on FM against all these other radios, including the PL330. And then the shortwave band, I'm not going to, go over all this in detail. I'm going to let you read it. I'll put the link in the first comment below this video. And I'm not even going to read the conclusion. But, well, let's just say in general, he really likes the radio. Unlike wasn't too impressed, but maybe I need to go back and review it. I think I still have it. I don't think I've given it back to Jeff. So I need to do some more testing because I obviously didn't do a very good job. Anyway, that's it. Take a look at this. This is a great article, lots of detail. I'm more convinced that maybe this is not a bad little radio and I should get one for myself. Thanks, Gary, for the permission to show this, and I can say I'll put the link in the first comment below this video so you can read in detail all the information he has provided. Bye-bye.